Welcome back. Yet another daylight robbery. Robbers struck house of Keshav Naik at Damal Sange on Monday noon. Owners claimed that the robbers fled away with jewellery worth 12 lakh rupees and cash of 80,000 rupees. Local Punch has demanded that tourists should be stopped from picnicking in their village. Meanwhile, robbers also struck house of Ramakant Khandeparkar and fled away with 1,50,000 gold and cash. Robbers also struck house of Babu Rekhade at Kashti Kale and decamped with gold and cash worth 1 lakh rupees.
आज आमगे घरात चोरी जाल्या आनी आई पापाक बीन घरात कोण नासलेली. आज सोमार आमगे देवळां आमी सगळीं देवळां गेले आसलेली आनी घरा पापा भितर विसरलो म्हणून घरा कडेन येयलो. घरा कडेन येवन पळय जाल्यार चोरून फाटल्या दारांच्यान गेलो आनी पापान मागीर आमकां कळयलें. येवन पळय जाल्यार सगळें चोरलें आसलेलें घरा आनी मागीर पुलिसांक सांगलें. पुलिसान घरा कडेन येवन पळोवन सगळें गेले आनी
कितल्या जमा चोरी जाली?
11:30 पावणे 12 हातून भितर चोरला.
आनी कितली अमाउंट आसा? किती व्हॅल्यू पयशे?
12 लाखां भांगरां आनी 80,000 कॅश आशिल्ले.
आयज आमच्या गांवांत हांगा चोरी जाल्ले कडेन आसा. 12-13 लाखाची चोरी जाल्ले कडेन आसा आनी ती दिसाचीच चोरी जाल्या. फर्स्ट टायम आमच्या गांवांत चोरी जाल्या अशी दनपारची 11:30 आनी आमी कोणाचेरच डावट घेवपाक शकना. कित्याक हांगा ब्लू सी म्हणटा लोक भरपूर लोक येता न्हांवपाक. पयलीं कोण आसनासले. आमी पयलीं जाल्यार अशें रस्त्यान कोणूय गेल्यार तेंचेर डावट घेवपाक शकताले. आतां कोण येता आनी कोण वयता म्हणटा खबर ना आमच्या गांवांत. आनी पुलिसांनी हेजे पयलीं आमी पंचायती मार्फत तांकां पुलिसांक रेजुलेशन सुद्दां दिलें बंद करचें म्हणून. पूण 2 फावटी पुलीस येयले आनी आतां कांयच एक्शन घेयना आनी सगळे गांवचो लोक एक जाला आतां. आनी समज हेजे मुखार जर पुलीस आमी लास्ट आयतार म्हणल्यार डेडलायन दिता पुलिसांक. हेजे मुखार जर पुलीस कांयच एक्शन घेवपाना जाल्यार सगळो गांवचो लोक एक जातलो आनी कोणाक मारले बिल्ले जाल्यार आमी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसपाना.
Now, Goa Parivartan Manch has taken a soft stand after hearing clarification of Rural Development Agency on celebrity Narega issue. Convener of Manch, Yatish Naik, says that they never said that government was involved in Narega scam. Manch says they now want clarification as to why at first hand celebrity names were registered under Narega scheme in Chimbal. Rural Development Agency had said that names of celebrities were used as demo for training purpose. RDA further says that registering the demo name is also part of their training.
On Saturday, Goa Parivartan Manch had alleged scam in Narega scheme in Goa. They had said that fake celebrity names were used for Chimbal Panchayat role as beneficiaries under Narega scheme. But next day, on Sunday, RDA clarified that names of celebrities were merely used for training purpose. And after training, these names were deleted. But Manch is not satisfied with this clarification. They say if the names of celebrities were used as dummy, then why these names were given the registration number?
Registration numbers are not given by minister or by director. Registration numbers are given by his office. Question therefore is, you do an inquiry and find out how these registration numbers are given.
On Monday, Prudent again met Director of RDA Vasudev Shetye on confusion of registration number. Shetye says giving registration numbers to dummy names is also a part of training. But these dummy registration numbers are different than the registration numbers of original job card holders. He added that the dummy names have asterisk mark to it, indicating that they are deleted.
आता ही सिस्टम जी वेबसायटीचेर जी आसा त्या सिस्टमाचेर इन केस आमी जर कोणाक तरी एक डेमो पासून जर दिवपाचो थारायलो आनी तातूंत जर एखादी रिक्विजीट इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर एग्जाम्पल नंबर नांव किंवा तेचे सरनेम किंवा तेचे एखादे जरी आमी इन्फॉर्मेशन जर ना भरले द सिस्टम वॉट इज बीन डेवलप वील नॉट एक्सेप्ट द एनी कायंड ऑफ एंट्री. स्ट्रेट अवे कंप्युटर आमकां सांगतलो की दिस इज अ इनवॅलिड एंट्री. सो रिक्विजीट डेटा यू हॅव टू पुट 10,001. We don't have any 10,001 number starting in any of the village panchayat. In every panchayat, this last number will start from one number. So question of issuing 10,001 number does not arise.
Prudent Media visited the website link given by Parivartan Manch on celebrity names. The website shows names of celebrities under Narega scheme in Chimbal. But next to it, it is mentioned that these dummy celebrity names are deleted on 18 February 2009. Prudent also saw the original job card list from Chimbal as on date, but there are no names of celebrities in it. Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi, with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.